Hello my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I am Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. Alright, so in today's video, as you might have guessed from the title of the video, that I'm going to be trying out some viral or trendy makeup hacks that has been going on literally all over the internet. So I thought why not just try out and take you guys along with me. So yes, if you're interested, then please continue watching. Also guys, before I get started with the video, I just want to warn you guys that you might hear a lot of construction noises in the background, which I really can't help because you know what, my neighbors are literally the noisiest people and I really hope they cannot hear me right now. Anyways, so I really can't do anything about it, so just bear with me. And yes, with that long intro, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so before I get started with all the crazy makeup hacks, I just want to prep my skin really well. I have already done my skincare, but I'll just apply a primer because as Nikki Tutorial says that not to prime is a crime, and I truly believe in that. Now to be honest, I really don't like using a lot of makeup hacks because I don't know why. I feel like in these makeup hacks or trends, you tend to use a lot of makeup products and basically kind of waste a lot of makeup products, which I don't really like doing it. But anyways, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna try it out. So yes, I have primed my skin and then I'm gonna do the makeup hack that was literally all over the place. I mean the internet, where you apply red lipstick all over your cheeks, blend it out and then use your base makeup. Basically it is supposed to give you like that flushed look. So let's see what flushed looks do I get. I have a red lipstick with me which I really don't like, but anyways, I really hope it doesn't, bother my skin a lot. I'm pretty nervous to be honest. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, a little bit here. And she was also applying it on her all over her forehead, but I really don't apply on my blush on my forehead. I just apply it on my cheeks, on my chin and little bit on the tip of my nose. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now before this lipstick just settles down in this way, I just quickly blend it out. Oh shit, it's not blending. Why is it not blending? I think I should stop here. I should not add any more of that lipstick because that's a lot. Okay, so she was also using a brown contour stick or something like that, but I don't really contour, so I'll just skip on that and I'll just move on to my foundation. Right, so I think I'll just start by dotting the foundation on my face. So I'll just try not to move the lipstick. Guys, let me be brutally honest. You know what? I don't like the look of it. I don't know if I did something wrong, but it's looking very patchy. To be honest, I won't be going out wearing this kind of makeup. It's just that if you wear this kind of a makeup and put on a filter and then click some photographs, then I think it will be a pretty good thing. But इतना एफर्ट क्यों लगाना है यार? उससे अच्छा है कि नॉर्मल makeup routine ही follow कर लो. Yes, it is giving like that kind of a flushed kind of a look, but it's patchy at the same time. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 5. I'm gonna just set my face, apply some bronzer and we'll be back. If I'm not wrong, this eye makeup was introduced by, this is like a blending technique which was introduced by an Indian creator. She is very talented when it comes to eye makeup looks. She is Smita Deepak. What you have to do is simply apply 3 eyeshadows of your choice and then just blend it out, dabbing it, not in a circular motion or in a windshield wiper motion. For that I'll just be using some basic colors and use my fingers because why not. And then what you want to do is take this kind of a brush which is a little bit fluffy but also a little bit stiff at the same time, and then just simply dab the eyeshadow shades together. Like, you would need a little bit more of that finesse. You would just need a blending eyeshadow and then just blend it out, but to be honest it's not that bad. I think I would give this 4.5 or 4.8 out of 5. I cut 0.2 marks because I mean you still do have to blend out the shades a little bit more. like सिर्फ डैबिंग करने से नहीं चलेगा, थोड़ा सा तो सर्कुलर मोशन में या फिर विंडशील्ड वाइपर मोशन में ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स नॉट दैट बैड. सो आई रियली लाइक इट, बट I'll just take more fluffy brush and then just blend out the shades a little bit more, just a tiny bit, not too much. Alright, I'll quickly apply some liner and then be back with the mascara because I have seen a makeup hack. I don't know if it's viral or whatever, but I really want to try it out. Alright, so I'm back with the liner on. The thing that I saw with the mascara is that first of all you need to apply a little bit of loose powder on your lashes and then follow it up with your mascara. What it will do is make your lashes look more voluminous and lengthy. So let's see. So I'll just dunk the spoolie in the I have hair in there. I just dunk the spoolie in the powder and just apply it on my lashes. Why is it not sticking onto my lashes? Okay, there you go. You need to add a little bit more of that powder basically. I was taking too less of it. You know what? I should have done it in one eye and then just do it in the normal way on the other so that I can just compare it. Should I just dust off the powder from one eye? I think I should do that. Alright, so I have removed the powder from this eye and I have the powder layer on this eye, like the eyelashes. So first of all, I'll just apply it in this eye. Alright, so this is how my lashes look with 2 coats of mascara. Now I'll just apply the mascara on the lashes which has powder on it. Whoa, speechless. This is the eye that had no powder on and it has 2 coats of mascara, and this is the eye with the powder on with 1 coat of mascara. I literally can't find any difference in 2 of these. I think that was literally 5 on 5. That worked really well. I think we are almost done with the makeup hacks. I'll just apply some lipstick and then just give you my final thoughts about the makeup hacks that I did. Alright you guys, I'm back. Now when it comes to the base makeup, like the lipstick part, I did not like it at all. I would give it like 2 out of 5. Even I'm giving it 2 just because if you do this makeup trick, it would just look good on camera, but it would not look good on real life because, as I don't know if you can see it, but it's looking very patchy right now. The lipstick have just clinged onto my dry patches and it's looking very cakey, to be honest. When it comes to the eye makeup look, oh my god, I'm literally blown away because it literally took me like 1 minute. So that was a really good one. So I would give it 4.5 or a solid 4.8 out of 5. So that's a great thing. Now when it comes to the mascara hack, I am literally blown away because both of them look really similar, so I would literally give it 10 out of 5. I really like the look, and I think I will try out this hack, especially the mascara one, in real life as well. So yes, I think overall I like my look. It is looking good on camera, but in real life I don't like my base. I have said that a million times, but yeah, anyways. So with that being said, we have come to an end of the video. Just let me know if you like the video or not, and if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'll just apply a little. Excuse me, sir, I'm filming a video.